Infomercial.
Okay, you're recording now.
Okay.
Infomercial.
All right. So there's an air bubble in each can. You put the air bubble at the top. Why are you laughing? I'm serious. Look, and then you poke a hole, and no beer gets wasted.
This is like
See?
legit.
Legit. You don't spill any beer.
Mm-hmm.
Cut a T. Fold the flaps down.
This is way too complicated. It should be faster
So
than
you'd be
that.
like, dang.
Okay, now here, there's one beer, and I'll do it fast
Okay,
for
let's
this one
do it.
now.
Okay.
Okay, look.
Let's
so
see,
you take
fast.
this-
Just don't cut yourself. Fast, go. That's fast.
Wow.
Oh, look at the speed.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
That's
I don't want
Kaylee's
that one.
That's a big ass hole. Hey, but you got speed.
Because she's got a bigger
Okay, hold on. Jen, come over here on the other side of the anvil
All
there.
right, here we go. It's gonna be around.
Just wait. I can't get my finger. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Ready.
What are you
You
doing?
guys count it down.
Hold it sideways, Kaylee.
You gotta go this way.
There you go. Sideways, babe.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Or not sideways. Jen's yours. Just finish it. You got it. Slave Lake Redemption!
Oh,
Redemption!
Redemption! Slave Lake Redemption!
I only got crap on my.